We are Richfield Plumbing and Heating, and we want you to work with us.
Maybe try pointing when
Maybe
like that, like so.
Army
it's
bonds.
not you're like.
Yeah.
We are
Richfield Plumbing and Heating.
Okay,
start.
1, 2, 3.
We are Richfield Plumbing and Heating, and we want you to work with us.
Do you work hard, have a good attitude, and are knowledgeable in new construction plumbing and hydronic heating?
Well, we have a unique opportunity for you, but we're not looking for good plumbers. We're looking for exceptional plumbers to work specifically in custom new homes.
And we're offering up to $1,000 signing bonus for qualified new hires.
This is a big year for us, and we're preparing for long-term growth.
We have many unique projects that are coming up that require high-level skill, communication, and efficiency. People enjoy working here because we work with some of the best builders in Edmonton doing some of the high-end projects.
Such as body sprays, steam showers, hydronic heating, snow melt systems, and it's different every day, which is fun and tests your skills.
We encourage additional learning, like hydronic designer installer courses, Class A gas, business, and really any course that'll help you with your long-term growth in your career.
Our culture is very team orientated, where we help each other and have fun, but also work hard.
Our goal is to find a couple people that fit our criteria, provide you with opportunity to strive and be treated right, and prepare you for long-term growth in the company and your career.
Are you interested in taking this opportunity?
We are Richfield Plumbing and Heating, and we want you to work with us.